Tips and Tricks Thursday, break falling and rolling. Let's go ahead and break this down. So I've had a lot of students and questions online about falling and falling and not getting hurt. So I'm gonna try to do a quick little video under 5 minutes on some of this stuff. Level 1, we start right here kneeling and I slap out. Remember when you slap out, your hands are in line with your back, okay, your belt, not way up here, here. Also, chin is tucked to my chest, teeth are clenched, head is far away. Just like that. Go a little higher, level 2. We come up to this 3-point stance, and I pull my leg under, and we switch legs. Same thing, but notice, again, my head never touches the ground. Level 3, finally, we stand up, and we hit the ground. And that's your break falling from the back. Now let's talk about the front. So front is really easy. Start here on my knees. I come up, turn, and I fall. Just like this, up, turn, fall. And then when you get a little bit better, you're standing up, you just timber. Again, make sure you turn your face, in palm and forearm. Don't go like that, and don't go like that. They're both gonna hurt. Side break fall. I'm gonna face this way. Dead bug, stage 1. Palm down, leg up, leg down, hand on the back of my neck, protecting my head. I'm not laying down and I'm not on my back. Side, come back up. Other side. This is side break falls. If I turn towards the camera, when I fall, notice there's about a foot distance here. Not super wide and not overlapping or crushing my own hand. Just like that. Again. Stage 2 is we do it from a roll. So I'm here, I take one arm, I take this hand, I tuck it under my foot, and we break fall. I'll do that again. Away from the camera, and I break fall. That puts me into my rolls, forward and backwards rolls. Again, seen a lot of people struggling with this. When we forward roll, it's not a somersault. There is none of this. That's not what we're doing, okay? We're gonna forward roll on our shoulder. So, foot's facing the camera, hand is on top, bring your arm to the inside, shovel it under your own foot. Now, I'm stepping on my hand. Mat slap the floor. Now from here, I creepy crawly my hand like a little spider. Let my knee touch the ground. It's not a slam, it's a touch. Hand is still holding on. Now from there, I roll on my shoulder, tuck my head, and I come up. You can let go of your foot when you're here. Going back, you guys can copy me if you want. My hand is under my foot, hand is on the ground, mat slap, creepy crawly my hand till your knee touches the ground, move your ear, and come up. Another way to set this up, big beach ball. Okay, got a big beach ball in my arms. Again, I lean into it till my arm touches, and I roll. Keep in mind when you're rolling, it should be quiet. It shouldn't be clunky. If it's clunky, that means those body parts are hitting the ground with impact and you're gonna hurt yourself, especially outside. And then going backwards, I grab my knee, move my ear away, and I pull. Upside down, I stabilize. I help myself up. Grab your knee, move your ear out of the way, right away. Pull. And then you're up. That's your backwards roll and your forwards roll. Now, those are both level 1s. Level 2 is we're standing up. So now, I'm here. Easy peasy. Just try to touch your forehead to the top of your foot. It shouldn't work. So when you go here, you just fall over and you're ready to go. So I'm just gonna take it and I'm good. Going backwards, same concept. The thing I don't want you to do is don't go like this, poof, and just kill your knee. Instead, take a step back. Now sit, and then you can roll out. I'll do that again. Take a step back, sit, and then you roll. Cool, simple little video on forward roll, backwards roll, front break fall, back break fall, and side break fall. Hopefully in all under 5 minutes. Cool, you like the video, hit the like button. You like the channel, smash the subscribe button, and don't forget that bell icon so you know when all the videos are coming out from all of us here at Martial Arts Limited. Cool, stay safe. This is JD, and I'm out.